and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share with y'all my design team project for Empress Teacups. Oh no, I've forgotten it. Empress Teacups and Doilies kit by Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. Nicola of My Shabby Craft Corner and I did a live of us working on these together. And if you're not a member of her group and you would like to be, it's all things shabby chic of this sort. You can find her group, Shabby Journals and More. I will leave the link in the description, y'all. Please forgive me. If y'all have been on this channel long enough with me, y'all know that my brain just goes out a lot of times. Anyway, so I used coffee dyed tracing paper and I made a bunch of double bags. These have 1, 2, and 3 pockets each. And then I made a medium size bag the same exact way to construct this with. So on the front I have one here, and I've got some of Doreen's gorgeous. Y'all, this is a beautiful kit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't say enough good things about this kit. Go check it out in her Etsy shop. Get it for yourselves along with her other kits. They're all beautiful. But here I have some gorgeous images of her, an applique. I've layered laces and trims. Here's the bag, and it flips out. Let me make sure I'm on screen. Yeah, okay. I am. More of the images. Got a doily here, more lace. And then we have a gorgeous, I just love one of the images here. And I've layered it with a piece of glittery applique. I've got laces tucked all under here, just a bunch. It's layered. And over here in this pocket, got a little tag with more layering of those gorgeous images. Isn't that adorable? That pink milk glass is just yummy. And of course my light is going dead. I did not bring another battery in here. Y'all would think I'd learn by now. I'm really tired of replacing those batteries. Piece of glue string there. But anyway, I've got a ring light and natural light, and it just doesn't seem to be enough. Okay, we open this up and we're here, and inside of this pocket I've got a little hand journal of sorts, and it's just a really good sampling of a lot of the papers that you can find in her Empress Tea Cups and Doilies kit. As y'all can see, if y'all want to write in this, you absolutely can. It's so pretty. So I just made a little mini journal there. And in this pocket, I also have a little teddy bear tag that Hildegard made that bear and allowed Doreen to use it in her digital. The bow and a little tiara up there. Let's see here. We've got another piece here with the milk glass. And then another here. Here's another one of my coffee dyed pockets, and more of those gorgeous digitals. Just a bunch of layering, a violin brooch with rhinestones in it, sequins. And in one of the pockets, I did leave a couple of the pockets empty for y'all to put y'all's own stuff, but in one of the pockets I made this tag and made this dangle to go on it. I love the bows in this kit's one of my absolute favorite things in the kit. I'm gonna reach over and turn this other light on. Maybe it will. Okay. All right, and in this pocket back here, I've got another tag with some writing room, another little frame with some yummy cake. Up underneath here, more of that yummy cake. Her digitals are just gorgeous. Got an applique up top. And here, I just attached some snippets here, along with some snippets of the kit. And last piece here, more snippets, pieces held together by a heart paper clip. And back here, I've decorated the bag with some trims and laces and tatting and sequins. But anyway, that was my project, working with Nicola of my Shabby Craft Corner. I hope that y'all enjoyed this, and I hope that inspires you. And y'all, thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon.